Thanks everyone. This is Artist Moon coming to you from my studio in Tacoma Park, Maryland. Today I would like to offer a sound bath meditation for you. There is a lot of noise in the world right now, and I know that we are all connected to the challenges and struggles that people are facing in different ways. And so today I just want to offer an opportunity to take some time to just let the sounds guide you on whatever journey you need. Whether that is letting your mind drift into a place of stillness and silence, or having a purposeful and intentional dialogue with yourself, maybe. Or maybe even take a little bit of a time travel. Take a journey to some place where you feel very nurtured, a beautiful place. It can be real or imaginary. And you can just, like waking up in a dream, just create your own dream right now during this meditation. So however you choose to journey today, you can either sit or lay down. If you want to get super relaxed, you can do the meditation laying down. And the ideal position is what we refer to as corpse pose, so letting there be some space between your arms and your body, letting your legs be open and just kind of let your feet flop to the sides. Keeping your head aligned straight on your spine so that you remain awake, because often a little turn or tilt will signal to your body that it's nap time. The next thing you know, you wake up and the meditation is over. So, and then it also helps if you're laying down to have a bolster, some type of support under your knees. If you're going to do the meditation seated, you just want to find a nice comfortable position where you can have a really alert spine. Your posture during meditation is important. You don't want to meditate like this or in any typical posture. So you can sit cross-legged if you'd like. I recommend raising yourself up on some cushions, raising the hips above the knees, or you can sit in a chair. However you choose, take these first couple minutes as I'm talking to just settle into stillness and release any tension you find. Just take a quick body scan as you're settling and notice any areas where you're still holding some tension, and just release it out of your body. If you're sitting in a chair, try to let your feet rest flat on the floor if you can. Release any tension from the hips, the thighs. Same, if you're laying down, you can give your hips a little wiggle and release any remnants of tension that you might be holding in the hip sockets or in the glutes. And then just let yourself settle into total stillness. You can allow your eyes either to close completely. Some people find it helps them to stay more present if they keep their eyes open. Depends on what kind of journey you want to take today. You can also just let yourself peek out through your lashes, like when you're a little kid pretending to be asleep. And so just begin now to tune in to your environment. Noticing the most distant sounds that you can hear wherever you are. Noticing the sounds closer in to your more immediate environment. Noticing the sound of my voice and any sounds you hear coming through your speakers or your earbuds. And then bring your awareness to the sound of your own breath. Just begin to notice your breathing. I'm just going to guide you into a state of deep relaxation with the breath, and then allow the sound to take over. And just begin to let your breathing slow down and deepen now. First, take a few deep cleansing breaths. Breathing in through the nose and then letting it out with a big sigh. And then just begin to let your breathing slowly deepen and lengthen the cycles of the inhale and exhale, allowing your exhale to become twice as long as the inhale. You can take your time to get there, but allow the cycles to slow down and deepen. Let that exhale become simultaneously controlled and effortless. And if you like, you can add a count to the breath, which facilitates this deep relaxation. Breathing in for a count of 4 and exhaling from 8 down to 1, and do that several times. From here, allow yourself to settle into a deeper state of relaxation. And journey as you need to journey today. Distracting thoughts come, just notice them and let them go. Just begin now to bring a little gentle movement to your fingers and toes. And just begin now to bring a little gentle movement to your fingers and toes, your wrists and ankles. Take a gentle stretch. And if you're laying down, you can slowly roll through your right side before gently pushing yourself back up to a seated position. And if you're already seated or you're now making your way back to a seated position, find a new alertness of your spine. Feeling a sense of connectedness to source energy, your higher self. And then just bring your hands together at your heart center now, either in prayer pose or placing both hands on the center of the chest. And just offer a moment of gratitude for this time to be with yourself, for this journey, whatever your journey was today. And now send some positive energy out into the world, to any particular person or people to whom you would like to send it. Thank you for joining me today for this meditation. I hope that you enjoyed your journey. I hope you got exactly what you needed. Please take care of yourself. I see you. I honor you. I bow to you. Namaste. And when you're ready, you can slowly open your eyes if they're not already open. Thank you for taking this time for yourself today. Please remember, with everything that's going on, to take some time to rest and pause. Fill your cup. Remember to do things that make you feel inspired or fulfilled. If you need additional support, I am here for you. Please reach out to me in the comments. Let me know how you enjoyed the meditation today. Reach out to me with a DM and let me know how you're doing. Check in with me, especially my beloved regulars. I miss you all dearly. There will be more to come. I am recalibrating around how I want to share my offerings this month, recalibrating around doing lives, and recalibrating around offering the support that my community needs right now. So just know that I'm thinking of all of you. I'm holding you dear in my heart. Please feel free to send me a message and keep checking back in. More to come. Until next time.